My next question is about coaching the younger leaders who are now coming into the corporate world or as an entrepreneurs. You're probably a senior or an older millennial yourself. How is coaching millennials and the Gen Z leaders different from people of my generation? People who are in 50s or 60s.
Yeah, I think I'm amazed by how energetic and how much drive today's
Mm,
youngsters have and how fast they act to make things happen. I think they are growing up in a life with iPads and with iPhones, so
mm,
they are used to so much. I have a 2-year-old son and he is like swiping on my phone like
mm,
anything.
mm,
And I remember I took my first mobile phone at 21 after getting my first salary.
mm.
So it's a huge shift.
And just to give you a perspective, I got my first phone when I was 37 when they were launched in India. Okay.
Yes. So
Sorry to interrupt you. Yeah.
yes, so the youngsters of today, I think, are growing up in a very different mindset,
Mm,
a very different, a fast paced world. And it both has its advantages as well as disadvantages, right? So I am totally amazed by seeing that energy, seeing their passion, how fast they can move. But I also see that sometimes they are missing that anchor. They are missing like how do you channel all of this energy and all of this really drive to succeed or drive to
mm,
create something
mm.
in the world. And I think that's where the elders or the elder generation can play a role is
Okay.
maybe leading by example, maybe not by authority,
Mm,
right? And providing that anchor in terms of values or in terms of help them choose one direction rather than be like distracted by everything which comes along the way. Because like another aspect of technology is distraction and how much it takes away
mm,
from our mental well-being.